You bit me on the nose, you little brat.
Sound bank selection.
This is the crocodile. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo! Come with me. Danger, danger, danger. I've got to run for cover. We're out of here, come on. Holy smokes. He's on. He's wide. He's gonna grab me. Whack, strike, coil around. Seriously, if I could kiss him on the lips, I would.
If there's one thing that I, Steve Irwin, would want to be remembered for, it's be remembered for passion and enthusiasm.
Unbelievable.